we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my recipe for my cider and bacon mussels. They're really good and really quick. I'm not really 100% sure why mussels aren't more popular because they're so cheap and so quick to cook. Guys, as always, if you enjoy this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So we'll get underway. First of all, you're going to need a big pan. Mussels do need a big pan. Some heat on under that, and I just want a little bit of oil just to brown my bacon in. And lazily and easily, I have bacon lardons that someone else has prepared. In they go. So we just want to cook the bacon for a few moments, just until it begins going a little bit crispy and brown around the edges. And whilst we're waiting for that to happen, we'll just talk about the mussels for a moment. So the mussels, I get mine already cleaned and de-bearded, which makes it very quick. The important thing to know is that if any are open, give them a gentle rap on the counter, and if they don't close, discard them. My bacon's almost there, so now I just want to mince in a clove of garlic. Just one fat clove. So I just want to get this stirred together just for a moment, and that's it. I'm going to remove the bacon and garlic from the pan now. The cider element, I have 125 mils, not an awful lot, but not an awful lot is needed. It's caramelized at the bottom of the pan up. Okay, that's bubbling again, so in with the mussels. And I want quite a bit of parsley, just roughly chopped. And into the pan with that. On with the lid, and these only need 3-4 minutes maximum, just until they've opened up and are lovely and tender. While I'm waiting on that, I'm going to chop a bit more parsley for scattering over it at the end. Just give the pan a quick shake every so often. And that is it. My mussels have had their time. I'll give them a final shake. Such a good clatter. So just to finish them off and give them a little bit of extra indulgence, I should say, is 75 mils of double cream. Not an awful lot. Just give that a quick stir through. Got myself a plate. And now, any mussels that are closed at this point can also be discarded. I want some of this briny, cidery, creamy liquid. And a final scattering of parsley. And the crispy bacon and garlic. And that's it, guys. How quick and easy is that? All I need to go with is some good bread to soak up those juices. I hope you've enjoyed this video and that you'll give this recipe a go. As always, you'll find a link in the description box below to my website where you will find the written recipe. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, have a good one.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.